Today, I'll walk you through two quick ways to deal with duplicates in Excel. One method actually removes duplicate rows, and the other just highlights them so you can check first. Both are fast and work with any recent Excel version, starting with 2013. Start by selecting the cells you want to check. It can be a single column, a few columns, or a whole table. If your sheet has headers, include them so Excel can use the column names when it asks. With the selection active, go to the Data tab and click Remove Duplicates. A small dialog pops up asking which columns should count when deciding if a row is a duplicate. If your data has headers, keep the My Data Has Headers box checked. Then tick the column or columns you want Excel to compare and click OK. Excel will clean the duplicates and show a short message telling you how many records were removed and how many unique rows remain. If you don't like the result, press Undo right away. It reverses the change in one step. Before you run Remove Duplicates, it's smart to make a copy of the sheet or workbook. That way, you can try different settings without risk. Sorting or filtering first helps too, because you can see which rows are likely to be removed. If you'd rather not delete anything, use conditional formatting to mark duplicates. Select the range. Go to Home, Conditional Formatting, highlight Cell Rules, and Duplicate Values. Pick a visible format and click OK. Now every duplicate entry in that range will be colored so you can review them. Once values are highlighted, you can filter by color to group them, remove rows manually, or just keep the highlights as a visual cue. This is a safe way to identify problem rows before deleting any. Try the remove method when you're confident, and use highlighting when you want to double-check first. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Also comment, what problem do you want me to solve in the next video? Take care and bye.